Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get big plants in Roblox Grow a Garden. All right, let's begin. There are two main ways to get big plants in Grow a Garden. The first is luck-based. Sometimes you'll randomly get a massive plant without using any tools. For example, you might plant a carrot and it grows larger than usual. This depends purely on chance. The second and more consistent way to grow bigger plants is by using sprinklers. There are different types of sprinklers: basic, advanced, godly, and master, and they can stack if you place different ones around the same plant. Just remember, using the same sprinkler type twice won't double the effect, but it will increase the radius. Some special sprinklers, like the sweet soaker, only work on specific crops, such as melons, and help them grow larger. When using sprinklers, it's important to place them before planting the seed so that the plant gets the full growth and size bonuses. You can also speed up the growth process by using watering cans. When you compare plants grown without sprinklers to those grown with a full set of sprinklers, the difference in size becomes clear. For example, a Rosy Delight affected by multiple sprinklers will grow significantly larger than one without. So that's basically how you can get big plants in Roblox Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.